Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you well. Now we are discuss about cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency meaning and definition. Uh, what is cryptocurrency and how it does it work? Cryptocurrency, sometimes called cryptocurrency or crypto, is any form of currency that exists digitally or virtually and uses cryptography to secure transactions. Cryptocurrency does not have a central issue or regulating authority, instead, using a decentralized system to record transactions and issue new units. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital payment system that does not rely on banks to verify transaction. It is a peer-to-peer system that can enable anyone anywhere to send and receive payments instead of being physical money carried around the exchange in the real world. Cryptocurrency payments exist purely digital and tied to an online debit describing specific transaction. When you transfer cryptocurrency funds, that the transactions are recorded in the public ledgers. Cryptocurrency is stored in digital wallets. Cryptocurrency received its name because it uses encryption to verify its transactions. This means advanced coding is involved in storing and transmitting cryptocurrency data between vaults and the public ledgers. The aim of encryption is to provide security and save. The first cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, which was found in 2009 and remains the best known days. Much of the interest in cryptocurrencies is to trade for profit with speculates or time rising price skyward. How does cryptocurrency work? Cryptocurrency run on a distributed public ledger called blockchain, a record of all transactions updated and held by currency holder. Units of cryptocurrency are created through a process called mining, which involves using computer power to solve complicated mathematically problem that generate coins. User can also buy the currencies from brokers, then store and spend using cryptographic wallets. If you own cryptocurrency, you don't own anything tangible. What you own is stake that show you to move a record or a unit of measure from one person to another without transited third party. Although Bitcoin has been around since 2009, cryptocurrencies and applications of blockchain technology are still emerging in financial terms, and more users are expected in the future. Transactions, including bonds, stocks, and other financial assets, could eventually be traded using the technology. Cryptocurrencies example, there are thousands of cryptocurrencies. Some of the best known includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. Bitcoin, founded in 2009, Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency and still the most commonly traded. The currency was developed by Satoshi Nakamoto, widely believed to be presumably from an individual group of people whose precious identity remains unknown. Ethereum, developed 20015. Ethereum is a blockchain platform with its own cryptocurrency called Ether or Ethereum. It is the most popular cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. Litecoin, this currency is more similar to Bitcoin but has moved quickly to develop new innovations including faster payments and process to allow a transaction. Ripple is a distributed ledger system that was founded in 2012. Ripple can be used to track different coins transactions, not just cryptocurrency. The company behind it was work and various banks and financial institutions. Non-Bitcoin cryptocurrency are collectively known as coins to distinguish them from the originally. How to buy cryptocurrency? You may be wondering how to buy cryptocurrency safely. There are typically three steps involved. These are: step 1, choosing platform. The first step, deciding which platform to use. Generally, you can choose between a traditional broker or dedicated cryptocurrency exchange. Traditional brokers, cryptocurrency exchange. These are online brokers who offer wire to buy and sell cryptocurrency as well as other financial assets like stocks, bonds, and effects. These platforms tend to offer lower trading costs but fewer crypto features. Cryptocurrency exchange: there are many cryptocurrency exchanges to choose from, each offering different cryptocurrencies, wallet storage and trust bearing account option, and more. Many exchange charge assessed based fees. When comparing different platforms, consider which cryptocurrencies are on offer, what fees they change, their security features, storage and withdrawal options, and educational resources. Step 2, funding your account. This is very important step for you. And as once you have chosen your platform, the next step is fund your account so you can begin trading. Most crypto exchange allow user to purchase crypto using fiat currencies such as the US dollar, the British pound, the euro using their debit credit cards. Although this varies by platform, crypto purchase with credit cards are considered risky and some exchange don't support them. Some credit card campaigns don't allow crypto transaction either. This is because cryptocurrencies are highly volatile and it's not advisable to risk going to into debit or potentially paying high credit card transaction fees for certain assets. Some platforms will also accept ACH transfer and write instructions. The accepted payment method and time taken or deposit or withdrawals differ. Platform equally the time taken for deposit to clear verify varies by payment method. An important factor to consider is fees. These include potential deposit and withdrawal transaction fees plus trading fees. Fees will vary by payment method and platform, which is something to research it out. Rest. Step 3, placing an order. You can place an order by your broker, your exchange, web or mobile platform. If you can planning, if you buy cryptocurrency, you can do so by selecting by choosing the order type and trying the amount of cryptocurrencies you want to purchase and confirming the order. The same process applies appeals to sell order. There are also the other ways to invest in the cryptocurrency. These include payment to services like PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo, which allow user to buy, sell, or hold cryptocurrencies. In addition, these are the following investment vehicles: Bitcoin trusts, Bitcoin mutual funds, blockchain stocks, or ETFs. Bitcoin Trust: you can buy shares of Bitcoin Trust with a regular brokerage account. The vehicle give retail investors exposed to crypto through the stock market. Bitcoin mutual funds: there are Bitcoin ETFs, Bitcoin mutual funds to choose from, blockchain stocks or ETF. You can also indirectly invest to crypto through blockchain companies that specialize in the technology behind crypto and crypto and transaction alternative. You can buy stocks ETF of combine that use blockchain technology. This is a better option for you, will depend on your investment goals and risk appetite. How to store cryptocurrency? Once you have purchased cryptocurrency, you need to store it safely to protect from hacks or theft. Usually cryptocurrency is stored crypto wallets, which are physical device or online software used to store the private keys to your cryptocurrencies. Recall some exchange provide valid devices, make them easy to have stored direct through the platform. However, not all exchange or brokers automatically provide valid service for you. These are different wallet provided to choose from. The term not wallet and cold wallet are used. Hot wallet storage. Hot wallet storage refer to crypto storage. These use the online software to protect to provide keys to your assets. Cold wallet storage, unlike hot wallets, cold wallets. Nay. Unlike hot wallets, cold wallets, also known as hardware wallets, or offline electronic device to store your private keys. Typical cold wallets tend to charge fees. Wallet but do not. What is can you buy with cryptocurrency? When it was the first launch, Bitcoin was introduced to the medium for daily transaction, making it possible to buy everything from a cup to coffee, a computer, or even big ticket items like real estate does not accuse materialize, and while the number of institutions accepting cryptocurrency is growing, large transaction involving large scale. Even so, it is possible to buy wide virtually of products from e-commerce website using crypto. Here some example: technology and e-commerce sites. Several companies that are just such products accept crypto on their websites, such as New.com, ATT, and Microsoft. Our stock e-commerce platform was among the first sites of stocks Bitcoin, Shoply, routine and home vegetables also accept luxury goods. Some luxury creditors accept crypto as a form of payment. For example, wine luxury retailer builds for relax, Pritex, Philip, and hire and watch the return to Bitcoin cares. Some and can dealers for mass market brand to high luxury dealers already accept cryptocurrency as a payment. Insurance. In April 2021, Swiss Zurich announced that they began to accept Bitcoin as a moment of the payment of all lines of regular reprint from Shield Insurance, which shall somehow to insurance policies. The US also accept Bitcoin premium payments. You want to spend cryptocurrency at a retailer that does not accept directly, you can use cryptocurrency debit card such as BitPay in the US. Cryptocurrency fraud and cryptocurrency scams. This is the very important question for you and overall the world. So will firstly cryptocurrency climb as on the rise? Cryptocurrency scams colors fake website, big sites which features take testimonials, crypto jargon, promising massive credit returns, provide you keep investing. Virtual Ponzi schemes, cryptocurrency campaign promote non-exact opportunity to invest in digital currencies and create illusions of huge return by buying off old investors with the new investors' money. You can scam. Operation BitClub network raised more than 700 million before it prepared for indicator to December 21, 2021. Celebrity